Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it could be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
In this video, we're going to focus on creating a profitable and easy work-from-home business, especially for beginners. They say that time is money. I'm sure you've heard that term before, and you know what? It's so true. So in today's video, we're going to look at creating a profitable work-at-home business that's easy to do, is great for beginners, and focuses on the internet and online. Why? Well, there are many different businesses out there that you can focus on, and we will look at what you should look out for and look for within a particular business that you want to do, and most importantly, doesn't waste your time by tossing you into the endless pitfalls and shiny object syndromes. You know, chasing the shiny object only to find yourself in a hamster's wheel going nowhere. It sucks. Well, it's time to break that wheel. That's the main point of this video and this little mini series of videos. There are a vast amount of great opportunities for you in creating a work-at-home online business. One of the best resources for you to find information about this is at affiliateprograms.com. Hey! Alright, so when you begin, you'll want to spend a great deal of time visiting this website because you can find many different affiliate programs that you can market in many different categories. Some of the categories that they have that you can market include finance and investment, food and beverage, automotive, and health and fitness, for example. So what they also have on here are some little guidelines and videos and different tips and tricks that you can use to help you with your business. So let's check this part out. Let's view our affiliate program directory. So click on that, and here we are. So this is their directory of all different types of niches that you can use to make some money online, right? So what you want to do is choose your interest or your niche, and if you have not seen my previous video about how to choose a profitable niche, please go ahead and see that now. It should be somewhere on this video screen that you can go ahead and click on that. Once you're done with that, then come back to this video. All right, we'll be here. So let's check out some of these interests that they have. Well, we'll just skip that one, but advertising, affiliate networks, beauty, cars, trucks, casino, clothing, and on and on and on and on. That's pretty cool. And how about this? Pay per lead. They also have pay per click. So that's kind of interesting there. You can make some money just by referring people. And if they sign up to get some free stuff, you might make some money. So that's a pretty good deal. So take some time to read this because each affiliate program will list their website. Well, let's go ahead and check this out. Let's do financial, right? The financial niche. So Regal Assets, E-File, TurboTax. Everybody's heard of TurboTax, right? Torrid Tech. And just you can go through here. eToro, the Tax Act. You see their commercials all the time, right? So why not be an affiliate about that and let everybody you know about that and refer people to them, and you might make some money. All right, pretty interesting, and it certainly doesn't take a lot of time to do that. So take the time to read. Again, because each affiliate will list their website as well as a small description on what they do, and you want to visit their website as well and learn their products. If you are going to be spending a great deal of your time promoting a particular website and program, then you want to make sure that this is worthwhile for you to work on, so check them out. Also, with each of these particular programs, you should look at how much money you would be making by selling each of these. You'll probably find several programs that seem interesting to you, so see which one piques your interest and pays well and head for that opportunity and rinse and repeat. So, I want to get something off my chest right now. As a fair warning for what seems to be opportunities on the web for many different things, there are many different websites out there that promise that you can make money through either taking surveys or through posting on free forums for several hours a day. You know, that sounded good, and many people have signed up for it, only to find out that they wasted a great deal of their time and money. And in the end, when trying out these so-called opportunities, a lot of them just went down the drain. So remember to listen to your gut, all right? When you're thinking about this, there are many work-at-home scams out there, so make sure to take your time in reading about what the different websites have to offer. That's super important, guys. Another great work-at-home business that's been online forever and has a really good online focus happens to be, yep, you guessed it, eBay. This is stressed throughout the internet and World Wide Web, but it is a great tool for you to begin your career. I made my very first amount of money on eBay selling a t-shirt that got too small for me, but was it was in great condition, and I sold it for like $5, $10 or something like that, and it was great. I was like, wow, I can actually make money online. So anyways, check this out. It's a really good tool for you to begin your career. You can learn how to write sales copy for your auctions as well as how to properly promote yourself. If you take the lessons to be learned on eBay and apply them to other internet marketing areas, you will find yourself ready to tackle most anything out there. So it's a really good place to check out. So hopefully this awesome video and this series on creating a work-at-home business that focuses on the internet and online has been beneficial to you. When I designed this and shot these videos, my intent was to teach you about what to look for within a particular business as well as what to do for it. It is most important to know what to avoid and what to look for within the vast array of different opportunities that are out there on the internet. So that's it for today's lesson. Please like, share, comment about this video with everybody you know and on social media. And lastly, please, please, please subscribe to my channel. and hit that bell icon so you can get push notifications every single time I put up a new video. So thanks for watching. See ya, and get out there and go make money now.